Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go quickly over how you can work with Excel. So if you haven't worked with Excel before, this is kind of a tutorial for you how to do it. So we have an assignment, for example, here, and we have an Excel file that you are going to work on. So you will need to save it first to a place where you can find it. Otherwise, you will be working on a file and then you will not be able to find it, or it will not save the work that you want. So you will need to right click on the file, the Excel file, and then save link as, and then try to go to the desktop here, and then you can create a new folder. So I would just call it NFS 6340, which is the name of this course, maybe 2023, just remind myself that's for this year, and then double click on it and save this file there. Now I have that file on my desktop. I can just go to my desktop and try to find the file that I just created, which is here, or the folder that I just created, and the file is here. Click on it and enable editing. Right now, whatever I am going to work on, it is going to be saved here, and then you can just maybe do autosave if you want, or you can just continuously save it. I would recommend that you finish all of the whenever you finish one sheet, just save it from here and then move on to the next sheet and save it from here until you are done. When you are done with all the sheets, then you can just save it at the last. Let's say that I am just going to save something here. We'll just say true or false, just as an example here, just to see if it will save it or not, right? I'll save this guy, close it, and to double check if it was saved correctly or not, just double click on it again before you submit the assignment and see if it really saved. So it's saved here. Now you can submit this assignment for grading and you can go from there.